Here's the content in English. The impact of artificial intelligence on the future. Workforce. Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing areas of technology, with the potential to significantly transform the workforce in the future. Technological advancements will change how we work, the dynamics of the workforce, and even job descriptions. Today, we'll take a closer look at the impact of artificial intelligence on the future of work. Which jobs are at risk from AI? The impact of AI on the workforce is most noticeable in professions that involve repetitive and manual tasks. For instance, data entry is an area that can easily be automated with AI's processing power. Similarly, veiritont, customer service, is being transformed by chatbots and AI-driven systems that can quickly and efficiently respond to customer inquiries. Additionally, sectors such as factory labor and logistics are undergoing major changes through automation. New opportunities created by AI. Like any technological revolution, artificial intelligence is also creating new job opportunities. Roles such as AI engineering, data science, and machine learning expertise are emerging. These careers will play a key role in a world where demand for technology is increasing and the workforce must adapt to these new systems. AI is also creating new business models in sectors like healthcare, education, and finance. With AI's assistance, more effective data analysis, personalized healthcare services, and more efficient teaching methods are becoming possible. Tips for adapting to these changes. To make the most of AI's impact on the workforce, both individuals and companies must adapt quickly. The first step is continuous learning and skill development. While AI automates many repetitive tasks, humans will be able to focus on more creative and analytical roles. Therefore, acquiring skills such as data analysis, data programming, and AI training will be crucial. Furthermore, to embrace AI's future impact, developing flexibility and innovative thinking will be essential. In conclusion, the impact of artificial intelligence on the workforce presents both challenges and opportunities. To turn this revolutionary change into an advantage, it is crucial for everyone to prepare for the future and adapt to new innovations.